All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is a GT model. It's beautiful red with black leather interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, got backup camera, navigation system, fog light, roof racks. Super nice, 54K on this bad boy. And best of all, minimum damage around the body, your front bumper. It's pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Front bumper seems to have a couple of road chips here, as you can see them. This fender looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Front driver's rim. I don't see any curbing. Let's check out your tire tread, which is over 7/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire tread is just over 7/32. Let me double check it. That's right, over 7/32. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, or rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Find the key I just had in my hands. Here we go. It does come with one key fob combo and owner's manual still wrapped up in its package. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Got your Navi system. Boom. You got your backup camera. Pow. AC controls right down below. It does have heated seats and heated steering. Steering controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on, any issues. Your mileage of 54,594. Looks good. We got a couple of buttons here that'll open things up. The rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Does have rear AC vents, rear running ACs. Here's the third row. And it does have rear heated seats back here as well. Coming around, rear bumper. Looks pretty good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. This is, as the car says, a stow and go. It does have a little button here. Brings this lift gate down. It does have some heavy scratch here, about 3 inches right there. Other than that, it looks good. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's a rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see any curbing there. Let's check out your tire tread. Over 7/32. Double checking it. That's right. This quarter here, this door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have a little button here. Closes that door. This front door looks good. Front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Front door looks good. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. I don't see any curbing. Any tire tread. Over 7/32 here as well. Lights are working. Fog lights are on. Beautiful, folks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT model with 54,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.